Hey guys, so under here is the rototiller project under the tarp. I've put it on hold, as you know, if you read my blog. You can find a link to the blog down in the description. And I've decided I'm not going to pursue that one. I'm going to get a better starting point, and yeah. But under here is my latest purchase, in fact, which is a electric rototiller or cultivator, Ryobi, and I got it fairly cheap, and I got it for half price of new. But today I was out and I picked up a couple of bikes. Some rust on the seat post and on the handlebars. I'm not sure I'm going to do anything about that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all these pearls. They just make the chatter noise unbearable. And those brakes are good. Those brakes are not good. Need some work. Good. And, well, semi-good. Need some lubrication. I have a chain wire oiler, so I'm going to try that for the first time. Anyways, so just a quick video today. It's been hailing, it's been raining, it's been like crazy the last couple of days. And not much time to be outside. When it's raining, I'm not outside. I don't have a garage to work in. I'm outside. I'm not working on those in the rain and the hail. Tomorrow is forecast excellent weather, so I'm looking forward to that. Thanks, guys. Make sure you comment. I like to read comments, and I'll see you soon. Bye.